Of course, here in the UK, we are all focused on and more often than not obsessed with the UK property market. When the latest house price data is released shortly, we will all be looking for indicators, any sign of an imminent market collapse. However, if history does in fact have a habit of repeating itself, then there is another housing market we should be paying attention to right now, and that is the US housing market. In 2018, too many US homeowners were allowed to take on debts that they simply could not afford. This led to the US mortgage market collapsing and the ass falling out of the banking system, leading to a full global financial meltdown. Things have changed since then to regulate the mortgage market more closely. However, at a time when household incomes are being stretched in more ways than any time in recent history, the prospect of homeowners defaulting on their mortgage repayments is very real. US mortgages are quite different to the UK in a few key ways. The rules governing them allow for borrowers to walk away from their debts more easily, and US mortgages are sold globally as investments by way of bonds. Therefore, if the US market continues to show signs of weakness, with sales now having been in decline for 12 consecutive months, with prices continuing to fall in most major cities, developers are going bust and projects are grinding to a halt where there are no buyers for them. If the US housing market does indeed have a full-blown crash, then the implications will be far-reaching for banks, hedge funds and investments worldwide. We will then indeed see a repeat of 2009 and the UK housing market will be hit. However, the expectation is that lessons were learned between 2007 and 2009 and we would hopefully be in for a slightly softer landing. Nevertheless, it's a tough time ahead for the US Federal Reserve and the UK government. Both have a bit of a balancing act on their hands, with further interest rate rises expected to get inflation under control. But at the same time, considering the detrimental effects that these interest rate rises will have on both housing markets.